Welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, it is confirmed that Israel Matseke Zulu had one of his leg amputated, and South Africa is very sad on his behalf. If you remember very well, guys, last year when the news of his amputation was shared by some newspapers, there were also rumors that the news about his amputation were not true. The Gomora actor made his first public appearance on Saturday at the funeral of the late Patrick Shai. He even went on stage to give a speech, and this is where most people saw for the first time that indeed GP Maoran's leg have been cut off. He is currently moving with crutches. Guys, before his amputation, Israel told She's Alive he preferred not to speak about his health, and said there will be a time when he will open up about his amputation to his concerned fans. And I guess that time has come, as he was in a public space with his amputated leg. Guys, what is more important is that he is alive and he is okay. We can't wait to see him back on our screen. Enza adume ngazo. That's all I have for today. If you love him, guys, please send some love on the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye.